Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use ChatGPT or AI to make engaging Instagram Reels. Are you looking for a guide on how to use ChatGPT to make engaging Instagram Reels? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so we are now in ChatGPT. Sign up, sign in. We're using the free version, and you might be wondering, like, how can AI or ChatGPT help you with creating better and engaging Instagram Reels? Well, there's a lot of ways. One way is to ask it, right? And prompt it, make it act as a professional. So act as a professional video editor and social media specialist and help me create an engaging Instagram reel that will bring in more views and followers. So let's try this, right? So it's gonna give you instructions, very detailed instructions on how to do it. So this is the general, and we're gonna go to specifics after. So let's let it populate the prompt. There you go. So it says here, creating an engaging Instagram reel involves combining creativity, storytelling, and understanding your target audience. And it gave us steps and tips on how to create compelling Instagram reels. So step one is define your goal and audience. So goal, determine the purpose of your Instagram reel. Audience is understand your target audience interests, preferences, point, and pain points. Tailor your reel to resonate with them and adjust their needs. So step two is plan your content. Storyboard, sketch out a storyboard. Like I think it's self-explanatory. Duration, keep your reel concise and attention grabbing. Aim for a duration of 15 to 30 seconds, as that's the maximum length allowed for Instagram reels. Step three is shoot high quality footage. This is for more filmmaking or video editing, so light and composition. You need to film whatever content you have with good lighting, and it's framed properly. A variety, use a mix of different shots, so not just one take. I mean, although that does work, but you got to be creative with this. Then captions and text overlays. Consider adding captions or text overlays to provide context or convey your message effectively, especially if the reel is silent or have no voiceover. Kind of like TikTok, right? Step four is editing technique. What is the dynamic opening? Start with the attention grabbing opening transitions. You know what these are, like swooshes and slides. You want to music. Choose a fitting soundtrack. Specifically, choose a soundtrack that not just fits but is popular at the moment, right? Effects, unsubtle visual effects or filters. So color correct. Uh, Insert a lot. All those things. Pacing, keep the pacing energetic, consistent throughout the reel, which is the meta for reels for TikTok has always been a fast uptick, a fast beat, having fast beats. So maybe start considering that. Step five, add value and tell a story. Value, offer something valuable to your audience, whether it's information, entertainment, or inspiration. So a lot of inspirational quotes are really big. A lot of informative reels are really big. A lot of entertaining, funny, dramatic reels are really big. So either give value or give entertainment, right? And then storytelling, of course, create a compelling narrative. That's very self-explanatory too. And then step six, call to action or CTA. Encourage engagement. Include a CTA at the end of your reel to encourage viewers like, comment, share it, or follow your account. For YouTube, a lot of people say don't do that, but like, yeah, you gotta remember, because like a lot of people tend to forget that they're watching a video that they may or may like to support. So that's something that a call to action remedy. So ideally, it's near the end, especially if this is a reel. So either flash your Instagram handle at the end, and of course hashtags. Use relevant and popular hashtags to increase the discoverability of your reel. So tags aren't as important on YouTube as it is on Instagram. Instagram tags are very important. And then step seven, post and promote. Optimal time, post a reel when your target audience is most active on Instagram. So this is where analytics come into play. Same with cross promotion. Share your reel on other social media platforms or embed on your website blog to reach a wider audience. So this is a very, it's not that long, but it's a very specific and effective, in my opinion, effective plan on cobbling up, creating an engaging, interesting Instagram reel, right? So, but this is general. So, how do you, like maybe ask, act as a let's prompt it this act as a professional video editor uh, who specializes on Instagram reels and create an in-depth, detailed rundown on how to make an engaging and interesting Instagram reel about, let's say, like cat habits, right? And then there you go. It's going to be specific on a specific reel you want to make, right? So it's populating here. So it's repeating what you said, right? But it adds a lot more. So post and promote, we've already tackled test and edit. That's a story. CTA, add value and entertainment, keep short and sweet. So these are all, you know, they just repeated prompt, but it says research and understand cat habits, choose a specific theme, gather footage, plan your story. So that's okay. So give me a step by step instruction on creating a reel about cat habits at night. So it's going to repeat what you say. So again, it's going to populate. So let's copy that and we're going to repeat this, right? uh, Give me a step by step instruction on creating from filming to editing the reel. So it's going to be more specific. It's going to say some of the normal things that's been already said. So it's just going to generate the answer. And yeah, this is pretty much how you create an engaging Instagram reel. Like you can't really use ChatGPT for it to make the actual reel. You're especially if you're new to video editing or the social media. This can help you, and you're not going to be lost because this is very specific and very targeted, right? But like there are other like sites like Canva, specific Canva Pro that can make these reels for you that has AI tools. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.